All right, hello, welcome to Wednesday, October 28th. Just a quick introduction about this day because it is a little bit different than previous days. Your goal is basically to work on these coding bad activities. So there's four of them, even though this first help video might mention that there's only three. Technically, there's four for you to try. Basically, just click on them, right? It'll take you to coding bad. Make sure you log in up here, right? Log in to your account so that you actually get credit for doing these and try them, right? So read through it, give it a shot. Remember that you have variables coming in, like this temperature and a Boolean is fall summer. So you don't need to create those. Those are specified by when the method is called up here, right? So you have those variables and then just use those variables in your if. So like on this one, you might do something like, so it's temperature between 60 and 90. So if temp is greater than or equal to 60, and temp less than or equal to 90, right? That might be one if you'd use somewhere in here between 60 and 90. So you can use this variable coming in. All right, and then remember that you're not going to print anything, you're going to return. This one returns a Boolean, which is either true or false. So, we could return true here or something. I don't really know. This is not the right answer. I'm just typing. Return false down here, right? So that's the idea is you return stuff in these methods. So click on them, try them, right? Again, log in, but try them for each question. And then if you get stuck, there's corresponding help videos. So do number one if you can pass it all, right? So when you pass, remember you hit go and you'll get these like check marks. If you can get all the green check marks on the side, you're good to go. If not, you can watch the help video to try and help with it, but then do the same for the other questions. All right, and then the homework is different too. So I've read a lot of research saying you want to mix different things in. So we did De Morgan a few days ago. So now I'm actually going to give you homework on De Morgan. See what you remember from that day. So those are the two activities for today. That is it. Have a good day. Reach out if you have any questions.